So welcome to coding challenges. And again, today's challenge is count of smaller elements. Now this is one of the frequently asked question. So assume that you are given one list with the size of n and the elements of this list are sorted in ascending order. Now you have to find out, you have to count the elements which are less than or equal to given element. Assume that you are given the list. Assume that you are given list where the size of, assume that n value is 5. So this list contains the elements which are in ascending order. Okay, assume that 1, 1, okay, 2, and 4 and 5. So these are the 5 elements which are there in the list. Now your job is to count the number of elements which are less than or equal to given element. Suppose I have taken the value of x is nothing but given element is a 2. Now you have to count the elements which are less than or equal to 2. Suppose assume that, so 1 is less than or equal to 2 and this one is less than or equal to 2 and 2 is less than or equal to 2 but 4 is not less than or equal to 2 and 5 is not less than or equal to 2. So how many elements which are less than or equal to 2? So you have to display the count as what here? 3. Now let us see how to solve this problem. Okay, assume that the value of n is given 5. Okay, and assume that there is one list 1. So consist of, so 1, 1, okay, 2 and 4 and 5. So these are the values which are there in the list. And assume that input x values are 2. Means I should find all the elements. Means I should count all the elements which are less than or equal to 2. Now here I am taking one counter. Okay, so there is a count is 0. Then what you are doing is every time you read one value from the list. And how you read the values from the list? By using for. So for value in here list 1. Means each time you are reading one value from list 1. So what is the first value in the list 1? 1. And this you are comparing it by saying if value is less than or equal to x. If value is less than or equal to x, what is the value here? 1. Is it 1 is less than or equal to 2? Yes. Then I am writing here count equal to count plus 1. Then read the next value which is 1 again. Is it 1 is less than or equal to 2? Yes. Count is incremented. Again read the value 2. Is it 2 is less than or equal to 2? Count is incremented. Again read the value 4. But is it 4 is less than or equal to 2? No. Then 5. Is it 5 is less than or equal to 2? No. Then after this you are trying to print it. So what you are printing here? Count. So how many values which are less than or equal to 2 here? 3 values. And what is the value of count here? 3. So this is one of the easiest way of solving this problem. For more information, subscribe Naresh IT channel.